Cold outreach on LinkedIn is honestly exhausting. Switching tabs, sending messages, tracking replies, it's a mess. But what if one tool could automate everything for you? Today I'm reviewing Sendpilot AI, a powerful tool that helps you find leads, automate LinkedIn outreach, and close deals faster. And the best part, it's currently available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Let me break it down simply. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Sendpilot is an all-in-one platform that lets you find leads from a 300M plus database, automate LinkedIn messages and follow-ups, manage multiple LinkedIn accounts, and reply to everything from one inbox. So instead of using 4 or 5 tools, you just use one. Let's go feature by feature because this is where Sendpilot becomes interesting. Smart outreach automation. You can create multi-step campaigns like send connection request, wait for acceptance, send follow-up message, even send voice notes, and it all runs automatically. Unlimited LinkedIn accounts. This is huge. You can connect multiple LinkedIn accounts and rotate messages automatically. Set daily limits, avoid getting blocked, perfect for agencies or scaling outreach. Built-in lead database. No more hunting for leads manually. Sendpilot gives you access to 300 million plus contacts, advanced filters, direct import into campaigns, or you can scrape leads straight from LinkedIn. ICP Scoring, game changer. This feature is underrated. Sendpilot scores each lead from 0 to 100 based on your ideal customer profile. So instead of guessing, you focus only on high-quality leads. Unified inbox, this saves hours every week. You can read all messages in one place, reply from multiple accounts, track conversations easily, no more switching tabs again and again. Now here's where things get crazy. Normally, tools like this cost $50 or $100 per month, but right now, Sendpilot is offering a lifetime deal starting at just $69 on AppSumo. Pay once, use forever. And yes, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so it's basically risk-free. So, is Sendpilot worth it? If you're serious about LinkedIn lead generation, yes. It replaces multiple tools, saves time, and helps you scale outreach easily. And with the lifetime deal, it's honestly a no-brainer right now. If you want to grab this deal, check the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe for more AppSumo lifetime deals. See you in the next one.